Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a credit card machine works step by step in a simple and easy way. First, the customer starts the payment by tapping, inserting, or swiping a credit card on the credit card machine. This machine is also called a POS terminal, and it helps the merchant receive card payments quickly and safely. Next, the machine reads the card information. It can read data from the card chip, magnetic stripe, or contactless NFC signal. This allows the terminal to identify the card and prepare the payment request. After that, the card details are encrypted. This means the payment information is converted into a secure coded form so that the customer's card details are protected during the transaction. Then, the credit card machine sends the transaction request to the payment processor or acquiring bank. This processor acts as a bridge between the merchant, card network, and the customer's bank. Afterwards, the request moves through the card network, such as Visa or MasterCard. The card network routes the payment information to the issuing bank, which is the bank that provided the credit card to the customer. Next, the issuing bank checks the transaction. It verifies whether the card is valid, whether enough credit is available, whether the security details are correct, and whether there is any possible fraud risk. Then, the issuing bank sends back a response through the same network. If everything is correct, the payment is approved. On the other hand, if there is a problem, the payment is declined. After that, the credit card machine shows the final result on the screen. If the payment is approved, the machine prints or sends a receipt, and the sale is completed successfully. Finally, after the approval, the merchant later settles the transaction and receives the money in the business bank account, usually after payment processing fees are deducted. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.